Have you ever worried about your identity being stolen? Or maybe you felt a little lost when it comes to understanding your credit score. What if I told you there's a tool that not only helps you stay on top of your credit but also provides some serious security features to keep your personal information safe? That's where Capital One's CreditWise comes in. It's a completely free service, and you don't even have to be a Capital One customer to use it. Now, let's talk about the features that make CreditWise a powerful ally in your financial security. First up, the alerts. CreditWise keeps a constant watch on your TransUnion and Experian credit reports. If something significant changes, like a new account being opened in your name or a hard inquiry you don't recognize, CreditWise sends you an immediate alert. This means you can spot and stop potential fraud before it spirals out of control. Think of it as having a personal watchdog for your credit file, always on guard. But CreditWise goes a step further. It also includes dark web monitoring. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet where criminals buy and sell stolen personal data. CreditWise scans thousands of these forums and marketplaces for your social security number and email address. If it finds your information, you get an alert, allowing you to take action immediately, like changing passwords or putting a freeze on your credit. This proactive approach helps you get ahead of a breach rather than reacting to the damage it causes. And finally, a great feature that helps you understand your financial health is the Credit Simulator. This tool lets you see how different financial decisions, like paying off a credit card balance or applying for a new loan, could impact your score before you actually do it. It's like a sandbox for your credit, allowing you to learn and plan without any risk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.